Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies CSS, and we are going to revise what we have learned, because without having practice we cannot have grip on the subject. Okay, so let's move to our code editor, which is Notepad++. This is our code editor Notepad++, and this is basic structure of HTML document. Now in title tag I am going to give one title: revision part 1. Okay, revision part 1. Now why do we use cascading style sheet? CSS adds style to HTML. What CSS do? CSS adds style to HTML. CSS describes how HTML elements should display. Okay. CSS adds style to HTML and CSS describes how HTML elements should display. In other words, HTML style meant for content purpose. HTML style meant for content purpose, and CSS meant for style purpose. To apply style on HTML content, we make use of cascading style sheet. Hope now you have better understanding about why do we use cascading style sheet. Now let me show some pictorial representation which I have collected through internet. Okay, here let's zoom it. Read carefully. This is the difference between HTML and CSS. HTML is like walls. HTML is like the walls of a house. Okay. On the other hand, CSS is like the paint on a house. Okay. So what is HTML? HTML is basic content, whereas CSS is paint on that basic content, or we can say basic structure. CSS is paint on that particular basic structure. Now HTML provides the structure. HTML provides the structure for our website, whereas CSS dictates the style for your website. So it is very much clear that we use HTML for content purpose, and we use cascading style sheet for giving some decoration to that particular HTML content. Okay, now let me show another picture. See here the difference between HTML and HTML plus CSS. This is basic structure. Okay, this is basic structure, and here we have basic structure plus applied cascading style sheet. Applied cascading style sheet to this basic structure. So that's it in today's session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.